Hi, today's question comes from MW, and she asks, how can I decrease my post-workout muscle soreness? So, it's a great question. I hear it every day. First of all, post-workout muscle soreness is also referred to as DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, so it's the same thing. Here's the thing, when we exercise, we need oxygen and blood flow to make energy for our muscles to work efficiently. When we can't get enough blood flow or oxygen to our muscles, we produce something called lactic acid. And that lactic acid slows our muscles down and causes soreness and burning. But that's not the pain that you're feeling the next day or 2 days after. Within an hour after exercise, we're flushing the lactic acid out of our muscles. So, what's causing that pain and soreness the next day is really micro traumas to the muscle tissue and inflammation. So the real question is, what can we do to stimulate healing faster for those micro traumas and to drive the inflammation down? Here's 4 quick things that you could start implementing right away that have really worked well for me and for my patients and the athletes that I deal with. Number 1, make sure you're hydrated. Being hydrated is critical to reducing muscle soreness and stimulating the healing process. I always recommend to drink about half your body weight in water. So if you weigh about 150 pounds, drink about 75 ounces of water a day. Number 2, drive the inflammation down naturally, not with Aleve or Advil, but with something like turmeric extract. Make sure that it's standardized at 95% curcuminoids. There's a lot of supplements out there that promote that they have 1,000 milligrams or 1,500 milligrams of turmeric, but they're not really standardized at 95% curcuminoids, so you're not going to get the great benefit. I like about somewhere between 500 and 1,000 milligrams a day of turmeric extract that has been standardized at 95% curcuminoids. Number 3, make sure you're stretching. Stretching before and after your workouts brings blood flow to that muscle and really facilitates the healing for the microtrauma and drives the inflammation down. And number 4 is a supplement that I use personally that really increases protein synthesis after your workout and helps with muscle repair, and it's called HMB. Make sure you're doing about 3 grams a day, and that will really help facilitate the healing process and reduce that post-workout muscle soreness. So those are the 4 tips. You can start implementing them right away. I hope it helps. Keep me posted and let me know how you do. Have a great night.